Vulnerability scanning using Nessus. Now in this video we are going to take a look at a couple of points. First of all, how to scan a network, and then how we can generate the final report from Nessus that we are going to learn here in this video. So we have successfully installed Nessus network vulnerability scanner in the previous video, and now I'm going to show you that how you can scan entire network using Nessus. So guys, you can see here that we have started Nessus here, right? To start a Nessus, it's pretty simple. You can click your window, you can type Nessus here, you can click on Nessus web client and it will open up, right? So the username and the password we have already set at the time of installation. So the username is admin, password is also admin. Click sign in. So this is Nessus network vulnerability scanner. This is the graphical user interface of it. Now what we can do here, we can create a new scan inside it, right? And we can scan our network for finding vulnerabilities inside that. So you can see here that it is asking that create a new scan. Also there is a button on the right hand side, new scan. So click here. Now here you can see that these all are the profiles inside Nessus which can be used. Basically you can see there are some profiles on which it is written upgrade. Upgrade means it is only available inside paid version of Nessus, right? Not available in the free version of Nessus. So for a basic kind of scanning, I can try advanced scan here. So you can click on advanced scan and it will open up a form in which you need to type the project name, the target, where you want to save it. This kind of form will be shown here. So here you can see that this is the form. Here you need to provide the name of the project, description, what you are doing here, and target, the IP address of a system or a complete network, right? So these all are the other options available. For example, credentials available here. You can provide SSH credential or Windows credential if required, compliance information, and plugins that you want to enable. All are enabled inside our system. We don't need to enable anything. You can click on settings again, right? So you can provide the project name here. So for example, I am scanning my Windows 10 operating system, main operating system. So I can type scanning system is the name, right? Description, what you are doing, you can type here scanning Windows 10 OS. So we are scanning Windows 10 operating system using Nessus network vulnerability scanner. Where you want to save, so you can provide it my scans, which is by default, and here you need to provide the target, right? So as I already know my IP address of Windows operating system, so I can type here like this 192.168.0.5, which is my Windows IP address. For example, if you want to scan your entire network, then you can start with your gateway, which is .1 to you are giving a range here 192.168.0.254. So this is a complete range of your network. You can type like this if you want to scan your entire network, but I'm here just to show you a demo of Nessus, that how you can use it. So I'm taking a simply a system which is Windows 10 operating system, right? So all details are available here, name, description, what you are doing, and the target, right? Now you can click on save button here. So you can click save. Now it is going to save inside your Nessus network vulnerability scanner, right? So here you can see that a new profile has been created here. How you can launch it? To launch it, you can click here and there is a launch button here on the right hand side. So click on launch button here. Now it is going to launch inside Windows 10 operating system, and then it will find out the vulnerabilities inside it, and you can also generate a report from Nessus. So how you can check the vulnerabilities? You can double click here and it will open up like this, right? So this is Nessus, and you can see there is only one host because we have provided only one target. If you click on vulnerabilities, then you can see here that these all are the vulnerabilities inside my Windows 10 operating system. And you can see here that they are not critical or high vulnerabilities. They are only informational vulnerabilities available here. If you can see at the right hand side, right here, so you can see here that it is showing you the vulnerability color here. So critical vulnerability is basically blood red color, high vulnerabilities orange color, medium vulnerability in yellow color, low vulnerability in green color, and informational vulnerability in blue color. So you can see that we only have informational vulnerabilities here, right, which is good. It means our system is not at critical point, right? We don't have any critical and high vulnerabilities, right? So our system is secure. You can check in history that the vulnerability scanning is running here, right? So for example, if you have no idea what is Microsoft Windows SMB login possible vulnerability, so you can click here and you can read about it here. So there's a description here. You can read the description here, like the remote host is running a Microsoft Windows operating system. It was possible to log into using one of the following accounts: null session, guest account, supplied credentials. You can also read about the vulnerability. These are the references available here. So it is saying that port number 445 is open in Windows 10, which is SMB, right? So it is still a vulnerability inside Windows 10 operating system, right? In the next version of Microsoft, it will be removed, right? Click host. So you can see here that I got a medium vulnerability here. So click here, and again the same kind of vulnerability, SMB vulnerability, is already available in Windows 10, right? In every system it is vulnerable, right? Nessus is considering as a medium vulnerability, which is fine. So still my system is secure because there is no high and critical vulnerability inside my system. That's why, right? You can go back to the hosts. These are the vulnerabilities. This is the history, right? So that's how you can find out information about that what are the vulnerabilities available inside my system. And you can also try multiple machines here. You can also check your router. You can also check vulnerabilities inside your router. Router is very important, that's why. Alright, you can go back to my scans, and basically let me stop this scan here. Click stop and click stop. So I have aborted the scan here, right? Because that was just a demo to show you that how you can use Nessus to find out vulnerabilities in systems. Right. So it has been stopped here. So if you can click here, right? And as it is still stopping, right? That's why we are not able to generate a report. And now it is cancelled here, right? So now scan has been cancelled here. Now click here, and on the right hand side you can export a report also. So you can see here that you can export in PDF format, HTML format. So let me give you PDF as well as HTML. First of all, click PDF here and click export. Now it is going to download a report as PDF inside your system. The report has been downloaded here. Here it is. Click here and open it inside your system. Then I will download the HTML one. This is PDF. This is Nessus report, which is the final report here. So if you can come down, then this is host summary. There was only one host, right? And these are the information about vulnerabilities. So there was only one vulnerability medium and 13 were information vulnerability. Information about vulnerabilities are also available here, right? So that was executive summary, right? You can provide it to the client. You can close it. You can also download the HTML version. So click HTML, click export. Here it is. Click open file, and it's going to open inside your system. So this is the HTML version, right? That was PDF and now it is HTML one. So here it is again. It is showing you only one target information about vulnerabilities are also available. If you want to check the details, you can click here, show details, and it will provide you all the details about that vulnerability, right? You can also click here, you can read more about those vulnerabilities. So that's how you can perform vulnerability analysis inside a network using Nessus network vulnerability scanner. And finally, you can also generate a report of scanning. So this is all about Nessus network vulnerability scanner. In the next video, we are going to learn about analyze web using HTTrack tool inside Kali Linux. Thank you so much.